I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 263 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about anytime dining. How do I request a booth? Is there gluten-free French toast and pancakes available for breakfast in the MDR? Does the Vista have biscuits and gravy available for breakfast on Lido? Could we get some vegan frozen yogurt machines? And if I don't opt into the new rewards program, will I lose my status?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser has a concern about how anytime dining doesn't have an option to request a booth. Every night they had to sign in, wait for the table, and then ask the host to rebook them for a booth. Really shouldn't be that difficult. John said, not sure if this is something they can add to the app, but he will share it with his colleagues. We don't frankly mind a booth or a table, but that's just us. But if you go for, assigned dining, then you can request a booth or a table. So apparently they like booths. They're going to look into it. I don't know. Question two. This cruiser is going on to Venezia and wanted to know if they serve gluten-free French toast and pancakes for breakfast in the MDR. John said there are definitely gluten-free options. Those two are not them. So at the current moment in time, they're not there. Who knows what will happen in the future, he said. But so if you like gluten-free French toast and pancakes, not in the MDR or for breakfast on the Venezia. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser is going on the Vista soon, and their son was wondering if there would be biscuits and gravy available for breakfast on the Lido, or anywhere on the ship for that matter. John said he hopes they have a wonderful time and you will find them available on the Lido deck for breakfast. Well, let's hope they made them better. Because last time we had it, which was years ago, I would call it hockey pucks and slop. So the gravy, not good. The biscuits were like rocks. I know people have asked for years if they're improving it, and they said they got with some chefs and they improved it, so hopefully they're good, because they weren't. Question four. This cruiser wanted to know if any of the ships offered vegan frozen yogurt machines. No. But they bet no one would know the difference if they offered the vegan options. John said no. That is not something they currently offer, but he'll definitely share it with the chefs and see if it's something they can add to in the future. So I guess having vegan frozen yogurt, I can't say. I've never had it. I don't really even like frozen yogurt, so who knows? But as of now, no, they're not there. Last question. This cruiser was asking about opting into the new rewards program as they have not accepted it as of yet. They wanted to know if they didn't opt in, would they lose their status as Diamond? John said yes, that would be the case if you do not opt in by September 1st. It's a really simple thing to do. So I don't think everybody has gotten the emails. I guess they're sending them out in waves, but you'll get an email and you just click opt in. You're done. And then your status is preserved. The reason they're having to do this is because the credit card terms and conditions are changing. Since that is linked to the new rewards program, you have to opt in. What they have said, though, if you are a Carnival credit card holder, then you are automatically opted in because you had to sign something with the new agreement there. But either way, if you don't have a Carnival credit card and you don't opt in, you will not maintain your status. So just opt in. The rewards program is basically free money for spending money. That easy. That's been episode 263 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.